Can't get to that music festival this year? Well, why not let us bring it to you? Mr. Plant Geek Michael can show you how to get the festival vibe.
Hammocks are brilliant if you've got the space, but if you haven't, you can just mix up your planting and give that real ethereal feel to your garden. We've used a lot of pastel coloured perennials here, from foxgloves to verbascums and dianthus. Another important part of summer is eating outdoors. Why not dress up your summer salads with a range of bright and interesting edible flowers? You can also use edible flowers to garnish your favourite cocktails. And while we're talking about bright colours, check out these patio containers as well. They can be dressed up in all manner of ways. The finishing touches for your summer festival are actually accessories, and this heater doesn't just keep you warm, but it also plays music and has jazzy disco lights. So you've no excuse not to have an amazing summer party.
To find out more gardening hacks, go to itv.com/GMB.